Boom. Purposely designed for youngsters and mini-moto enthusiasts. Revised settings for the 112cc single overhead camshaft single cylinder result in a more powerful engine. The new 4-speed transmission means more gear selection to take full advantage of the more powerful motor. Revised rear suspension offers increased bottoming performance, whereas roomier ergonomics accommodate a wider range of riders. Above all this, revised pedal and lever design further facilitate maximum riding fun. With the addition of hand features like an electric starter, access to fun is easier than ever.
Specialize in helpful financing and would love to help you get this or any one of our other power products home today.
We'll give you a hug because we love you. You're a customer